Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Hey Darren, could you please not play the game right now? I really need to get hold of you. Thank you. In the beginning, I just thought Darren was a little bit neurotic, honestly. It wasn't until he started playing the game, we call it the game around the shop, a little bit more frequently, that you realize it actually is some type of a non-winnable game, like tic-tac-toe.
Your call has been forwarded to...
I'll keep calling. I'll call him 1,000 times. I don't care if his cell phone explodes. He don't even want to answer the phone. In a lot of situations, part of the game is everybody's getting along fine on Thursday. We're happy. We go out to dinner. Everything's fine. Friday, he quits returning phone calls. Won't answer the phone. Doesn't care how many times you call. Doesn't care what the message is that you leave at his house. No matter how important it is, he's not answering the phone.
81 is not available. 8643.
Why won't he just answer the phone? That's exactly why I can't get anything done. Exactly why.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic...
He won't answer the phone. He plays the game. Why? There's the key. Once you figure out the why, all the rest of it will begin to make sense. But the problem is nobody has ever been able to figure out why. Everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you. Hit subscribe.